I think that I would choose to solve women's safety. I think it is a pretty big issue right now here in 2025 till now. So yeah, I think I would go for that.
I would solve climate change. With all the positive feedback loops, drastic weathers, natural calamities, it really feels impossible to turn back. I would solve that.
I would like to solve the food or hunger issue because a lot of people starve today still. Our country has progressed a lot on this sector, but still it has a long way to go. I think food is the way to anyone's happiness or the depression, whatever that is, and solving this issue will help in people's happiness a lot.
If I was asked to solve a problem, I would think of solving the employment issues that has been there. The employment crisis is huge currently at Bangladesh, and I think more opportunities should be open for students so that they could match up or link up with companies and in both government and non-government sectors for employment.
I think I would solve the problem of income disparity. A good chunk of people in Bangladesh don't even earn minimum wage or the wage that is necessary for a normal average living standard. So if I had all the resources, I think I would solve that.
I think one of the biggest issues Bangladesh faces is traffic, and I think we haven't done much to solve that issue. So I think the country's resources need to be deployed enough to solve that issue.
If I'm given the opportunity to change one thing about our country with the resources, I would like to change the education system because this is the core issue of our country currently. And we all know that Shikkha Jatir Merudondo. That's why I think এটা চেঞ্জ করলে প্রত্যেকটা ইস্যুই যেটা আমাদের কারেন্টলি অনগোয়িং সেটা সলভ হয়ে যাবে।
I would think যে আমাদের রিসোর্সগুলো থাকলে we would I think we should allocate it towards like saving our কি বলবো মানে আমাদের ক্লাইমেট চেঞ্জের যে ইস্যু বা ইফেক্টটা পড়তেছে বাংলাদেশের উপরে I think it would be like more than viable if we could use that to save our, for example, সুন্দরবনের যে প্রবলেমটা হচ্ছে আমাদের ম্যানগ্রোভ ফরেস্টগুলো চলে যাচ্ছে, it is going to affect our ecosystem very negatively and mostly হচ্ছে এই জিনিসটা আমাদের মাইনর কমিউনিটি বা আমাদের যারা মার্জিনালাইজড ওদের উপরে বেশি এফেক্ট করবে বিকজ এট দি এন্ড অফ দ্য ডে যারা কোস্টাল এরিয়াসে বা যারা পাহাড়ি এলাকায় থাকে ওদের সমস্যাটা বেশি হবে, ওদের রিসোর্সেস, ওদের লাইভলিহুড, এভরিথিং ওদের সমস্যাটা বেশি হবে বিকজ ইভেনচুয়ালি ঢাকায় আসা is not the only solution.